Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you 100 plus blouse back design ideas. So please watch the video till end. Friends, sarees are one of the main arteries in India. Sarees to make every occasion special and give a glamorous look among the people. The blouse back design is an essential feature that grabs attention and boosts an individual attractiveness. The blouse back design gives the opportunity to show up beautiful design and unique cutout. The blouse back design can enhance the beauty of the back and shoulder and making a compelling and feminine appeal. Friends, compared to old fashion style, modern blouse back style experiments and eye-catching transformation. Nowadays, the fashion has embraced creativity and innovation. Friends, the blouse back design is the only area that is fully visible when wearing with a sari. This video we are showing you some of the newest blouse back design. The traditional U-shaped back design of the blouse style is always elegant. It has a deep U-shaped neckline that beautifully draws attention to the back and gives the woman appearance more beautiful. All women love this pattern since it's adaptable and goes well with a variety of sarees. Nowadays, cutwork blouse back design is very popular. These kind of cutwork back designs feature indicate and creative cuts that come together to form a captivating pattern on the reverse. The cutwork, which includes geometric patterns and floral motif. This kind of cutwork blouse back design give a wonderful look. The another one very popular back design is sari embroidery blouse back design. These kind of sari embroidery back blouse patterns are a classic and trendy option. This kind of blouse is a regal and magnificent option for wedding and another festival and all other festival because of the golden sari thread work which learn an air of luxury and span. Friends, the another trendy back design is keyhole back design. This kind of back blouse design has a modest keyhole shaped cutout in the center of the back. This kind of blouse design gives a stunning look. The another one famous back design blouse is sheer back design. The inclusion of sheer fabric or net details to the back give a touch of elegant and sophistication look. It also providing a striking visual effect. The another back neck blouse is a row of button running down the back blouse give the blouse a classic and modern appeal that gives it a luxurious, sophisticated appearance. The lace back blouse design is made more elegant and ethereal by the addition of lace patterning on the back. It gives a touch of romance and elegance. Crisscross back design, straps or string at the back provide a unique and modern aesthetic, offering a regular blouse and elegant post. Friends, we all are know that a stylish blouse back design may elevate even a simple saree to a more stunning appearance. The blouse back designs are always fully exposed. Most of the women stress wearing the saree with a current style of blouse back. Don't worry, these kind of blouse back design ideas will help you to find out best blouse design. Friends, I hope you guys are love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. Friends, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon for immediate notification. Thank you friends and keep watching.